Hello friends, welcome to Support Grow. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create email campaign and how you can automate your email sending process on Active Campaign apps. So if you are new to Active Campaign, then you just need to register on Active Campaign and buy the plans and then uh, logged in here. And once you logged in, then you will see a dashboard like this. So once you logged in here, you just click on contacts, okay, and click on list. And once a list is displayed here, I have already created like 6 lists here, and you have to create new list. If you want to add new list, then you can click on this new list and add list name here and add URL and add description, list descriptions here, and click on add. Okay, so once you add it here, it will show here. Okay, then you have to import contact. If you want to take contacts from your website visitors, then you can set up all these things so that it will automatically take contacts from your website and display here. But if you want to manually import, then you can click on import contacts and import file, CSV file, and then you can start. Okay, so once it is imported, it will show here like number of contacts. Here you will see like number of contacts. Okay, and then once it is done, then just go to here like these campaign icons, and here you can see create a campaign. So you need to click on this create campaign buttons, and here you can see campaign type like a standard, automated, autoresponder, and a split testing, RSS triggers, and date based. So I'm going to use a standard campaign type. So I just click on a standard because by default it is selected as standard. So I click on next. Here you need to like enter your name like demo, and click next. And then from this list, like this is contact list, you have to select contact list from here. So I'm going to select like 2020 real estate 09, and then click on next. Once it is good, once it is once you select contact list, then it will ask you to choose template type like email designers, classic designer, text only, and as custom HTML. So based on your requirement, you can select any of these. So I'm going to select like email designers and click on continue. So here you can see list of email designers. You can select any of these and edit that. So let me select like one of the my new template, like this one. I'm going to select this one, and you have to like enter from name. So you need to enter your name like microchat, enter your email here, and email subject you can like and sponsors email, something like that. And whatever you want to add your email subject here, you can enter here and click on continue. So, let's wait for a few minutes. So like this is our summary page where you can see the email templates here. If you want to modify, then you can modify from here. Email, you can choose like you can change designs, you can edit things here. And once it is like your email design is completed, you can click on next. Okay, so here you can see like campaign summary page. It will look like this. Okay, and then everything looks fine, then you can click on send now. So once you click on send now, it will send email to all your contacts. But if you don't want to send now, then you can click on save and exit. So here in campaign list, you will see like demo, and it is in draft. It is not live now because we have not sent it. So it is not live now. It is in draft. You can continue, or you can click on continue and edit it again. Okay, you can click on send now, then it will becomes active, and then your email will send to all your contacts which you have selected earlier. So let me save it and exit it now because I don't want to send it email to 753 customers. So this is for demo. This is for demo purpose only. So this way you can uh, create contacts and create email campaign on Active Campaign page. So thanks for watching.